up? Big cheese pizza here in Ogdensburg, New York, and figured I'd show you the storm. It's pretty slippery. Yeah, I know. See if I can do a nice little U-turn. I'm pretty damn close. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but oh well. All the trees. Of course, the vehicles. If I didn't have to pull out, there'd be no vehicles. It always goes. It always goes. Come on! Oh, come on. Holy fuck. Sit there, winter hits, the first snowstorm hits. Major one, everybody forgets how to drive. Can't drive it, park it. Christmas junk. Not any Thanksgiving yet, people. Give me a break. Snow plow on 4th Street. Freaking goddamn stop in the middle of the freaking road, almost caused an accident. Music tonight, hey, you're crazy. Having live music tonight with this major snowstorm. So I know some will end up getting killed. All about that golden dollar, you know. Scumbags at that bar, putting people in danger. Rose Medicine Place. It says 29 Fahrenheit, -1 Celsius. St. Louis Federal Credit Union. Obviously they're closed today, Saturday. Movie theater, it's not open yet. Cam's Pizza. Remington Art Museum, that building is straight ahead. Get out of the drive, retard. Use caution. Use caution. Fucking idiot opens this fucking door. Fucking retard. I'm from Ogdensburg, New York. I'm a retard. I opened my door up on a major highway. Well, we're out to the next one.